Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams so you can plan ahead with your team. So the first thing that you will have to do after opening your Microsoft Teams web browser or your desktop or your application or whatever device that you may be using is you will go ahead and click calendar, which is right here. And then what you will have to do is click join you will click new meeting, which is right here. And now what you will do is you will enter the meeting title, the email, the date and the time, of course. And you could also add details and location or team links if necessary. And after that, you will just have to click the save button so that you will be able to schedule the meeting. And yeah, make sure that all of these are correct so that you will be successful in scheduling the meeting. And yeah, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, for the recurring option, you could also make it a repeating meeting. So it really depends on you if you want it as daily, weekly, monthly. So yeah, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.